Hi, it's Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got another drill to go over with you today. This is from Parkside Cordless Drill Screwdriver, PABS 20-LIC3. Let me open up this box. Let's get a closer look at this thing. Here's a closer up view of this Parkside Cordless drill. See if I can get this to focus in. Lithium-ion 20 volt. Idle speed. First gear 0 to 400. Second gear 0 to 1400 RPMs. Settings 25 torque settings plus drill setting. Chuck capacity, diameter max 0.51 inches or 13 millimeters. Lock, automatic spindle lock. Included accessories, 1 bit. Let's take this thing out of the box and take a closer look at this. It does come with a nice case here. Nice plastic case. See, here we go. Pop this open. Here we go, nice hard shell plastic case. Now if you notice on the side, it has a picture of a drill. So if it's up on a shelf, you'll know it's in the box if it's sitting sideways on the shelf or if it's stacked up. So that's a nice little feature to have on these things. Parkside embossed on the front. Has the pictures over here again. Hinge on the bottom going all the way across. Has a 3-legged foot on there so it stands up. Okay, it does have a little zip tie on here. Let me pop that off. There we go. Let's see what's inside this thing. Open it up. We'll turn it sideways. Now over here, the instruction manual. And over here is the tool itself. We have a charger. Green light, red light. Basic charger. Looks like it could be a 6-foot cord. I'm not going to measure it, but I'm going to take this tie off of here so we can plug it in. There we go. Set it right here for the time being. The drill itself feels really nice in the hand. It's not really too heavy. Not heavy at all. Here is the speed 1, speed 2 on here, the torque right here, and the spindle lock. Forward reverse right here, just like any other drill would have. Forward reverse. It is pre-charged. Has a light right here in the bottom. See it come on. I don't know why the light's right there, but it is kind of pointed up towards the drill, where the drill bit would be. Reverse. Forward. Seems pretty quiet compared to what it is. You'll see the air vents right here, both sides, air vents. Nice. It's not really, well, I guess it is thin rubber grip handle. To slide the battery off, you just push right here and it'll slide right out. Now let's see right here. It should show how much charge it has on here. Let me push this. There you go. You see right there, it is fully charged. So you can use it right out of the box. Comes with this screwdriver bit. It just connects onto this battery, this magnet on the side right here. I'm sure this is going to be the first thing lost. But it is what it is. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. I'm impressed with it. Just some more information right here if you'd like to pause the camera and see if I can get that in there better. There we go. If you'd like to pause the camera and check that out. Let me find a drill bit, put in here, and let's see how strong it is. Okay, I have a piece of 2x4 pine here, just nothing special, just a cut off piece of 2x4. I'm going to put it over one of these holes right here on my bench, and just using the weight of the drill, I'm going to see what it takes to drill this 1/4 inch titanium coated bit through this 2x4. Let's see how that works. Make sure it's lined up, should be good. Not bad at all, really. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, that was on torque number 2. And of course, torque number 1, or speed number 1, gauge number 1, whatever we're going to call that. That's going to be a little bit less. I did have the torque right here up to 25. Which is probably where I will leave it most of the time. Might as well push it back to number 2. Now, Lidl had this cordless drill on sale for $19.99. Granted, I will not know how long this thing is going to last. We just opened the box. I don't know how long it's going to take to charge the battery. I do not know a lot of things about this drill. But I do know for $19.99 for occasional use for the homeowner, I don't think it's a bad deal at all. Now, granted, you do not want to take this out if you're a construction worker. You do not want to use it in a construction trade, or if you're going to use this drill every day like a full-time woodworker. This isn't the drill for you. But like I said, occasional use for the homeowner, I don't think you're having a problem with it. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being with us today and watching this video.